Have you ever looked at a simple drawing and wondered how it could look like a real object? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary letter G into a stunning 3D illusion using nothing more than a pencil, a ruler, an eraser, and a sheet of paper. This tutorial is beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and perfect for anyone who wants to improve their drawing skills. So grab your supplies, and let's start creating something amazing. The first step is drawing a clean and bold letter G. Take your time to make the outline as accurate as possible. If your foundation is strong, the rest of the drawing becomes much easier. Using graph paper or a ruler can help keep your lines straight and your proportions balanced. Remember, patience always leads to better artwork. Now it's time to add depth. Draw parallel lines extending from every edge of the letter in the same direction. Try to keep the spacing equal all the way around. Next, connect the ends of those lines to create the sides of the letter. At this point, your flat drawing starts looking like a solid 3D object. This simple perspective technique is one of the easiest ways to create realistic depth. Now let's make the drawing come alive with shading. Imagine the light source is coming from the upper left corner. The surfaces facing the light should stay bright, while the opposite sides become darker. Use soft pencil strokes and slowly build darker layers. Don't press too hard. Instead, shade gradually to create smooth transitions. Good shading adds realism and makes your drawing look professional. The final touch is the shadow. A realistic shadow creates the illusion that the letter is standing above the paper. Begin with a dark shadow close to the base of the letter. As the shadow moves farther away, make it softer and lighter. Blend the edges gently for a natural finish. This simple step makes a huge difference in the final result. You've successfully transformed a simple letter G into an amazing 3D drawing. Keep practicing these techniques, and every drawing will become more realistic than the last. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing lesson. Also, leave a comment below and tell me which letter you'd like to see next. H, I, or maybe your own name in 3D. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.